Hello again, everyone. We have another job order, and this is a confectionery company. This is a sweet company, mainly in macarons. This is for manufacturing and sales. This is located in Osaka-shi in Osaka. We need 5 people for this as full-time employee, and the working hours for this is 8 hours a day. It starts from 11 o'clock in the morning, and the salary for this is 180,000 yen. And the Japanese level is daily conversational Japanese is also okay for this. So we need 5 people for this job in Osaka-shi, Osaka. This is again a manufacturing and sales job. We need 5 people. This is also a full-time job. So if you are interested for this, please let us know. And for Osaka office, we do interview from Monday to Friday. So if you are interested, if you are in Osaka, you can apply for this job, or you can also call our office number at 036-206-8058. Thank you very much.